Increased airflow improves heating, cooling efficiency. Helps control odors. Treated to help capture contaminants that cause odors. Dirty disposable cabin filters can cause a musty smell in your car's interior. Save money. Washable product that lasts. Easy to install. Pre-treated and ready to drop into your factory airbox. Typically installs in less than 5 minutes with no tools required. Washable and reusable. Engineered to last for the life of your vehicle. Eco-friendly. Using a washable, reusable product reduces landfill waste from disposable filters. More than 100 million disposable air filters end up in landfills each year. Designed for long-lasting performance and quality. Top reviews from the United States. Bought for increased airflow claims. Measured with X-Tech anemometer, work in industrial air quality field, sure enough added airflow. Important for me since diesels run cool in the winter.